How to change Snapchat username. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On the screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, go to username under the My Account section. Here, you can view or change your username. Tap on Change Username. Now tap on Continue. You must keep in mind that your username can only be changed once a year. And if you change it, your current username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. Now, type in your new username and tap on Next to set it up. Following these steps, you can easily change Snapchat username.